Your thumb stops scrolling because a video shows someone's skin transforming in 3 seconds. It looks like magic. It looks like the absolute future of science. But let's be honest with ourselves for a second. We are currently living through a gold rush of miracle patches. These products are flooding every social media feed with claims that sound revolutionary. One specific name popping up lately is the Sonvyra Microneedle Patch. It looks flashy. It uses all the right buzzwords. You see terms like nanotechnology or advanced delivery systems. It sounds sophisticated. It sounds like something developed in a high-tech lab. However, the moment you look closer, the polish starts to peel away. The marketing strategy for these patches is almost identical across dozens of different brands. You see the same dramatic before and after photos. You see the same suspiciously perfect reviews. Sometimes you even see the exact same website layout with those annoying countdown timers. They want you to feel a sense of urgency. They want you to buy before you have time to think. Actual microneedle technology is a real thing. It is used by dermatologists. It is used in medical settings to deliver active ingredients deeper into the skin. But there is a massive gap between a medical procedure and a random patch sold through a social media ad. Good products do not usually need to scream about being a miracle every 5 seconds. If a brand relies more on theatrical videos than on clinical studies, that is a huge red flag. Sonvyra feels like part of this massive wave of rebranded generic products. They take a basic patch and wrap it in a narrative of extreme weight loss or instant anti-aging. Where are the transparent ingredient lists? Where are the independent studies? You will struggle to find them. Instead, you find marketing theater. It is a performance designed to separate you from your money. Many of these websites are interchangeable. If you swap the logo, you wouldn't know the difference. They use the same fake urgency and the same bold claims. I always tell people to trust their gut. If it sounds too good to be true, it almost certainly is. Real skincare breakthroughs are documented. They're discussed by experts. They are not just pushed by aggressive ads with inflated claims. The physical patch might exist. It might even do something minor for your skin, but it is very unlikely to perform the miracles shown in those videos. Why take the risk on an unproven brand with no reputation? There are so many established companies out there. These companies have real history. They have transparent processes. They do not hide behind viral trends. I would personally skip the hype cycle on this one. It is much safer to stick with brands that value honesty over theatrics. We deserve to know exactly what we are putting on our bodies. Don't let a well-edited video convince you that a basic sticker is a scientific revolution. True wellness and skin health take time and proven ingredients. They do not come from a generic patch with a countdown timer. Save your money for products that can actually back up their claims with facts. The internet is full of these shiny distractions. We have to be smarter than the algorithm. We have to look past the dramatic transitions and the filtered skin. Real results are rarely that instant. Real results are rarely that cheap. Stay skeptical and stay informed. It is the only way to navigate this wild world of online wellness products.